कॅन्डल आपे नाही कॅन्डल
तो घेता रे
कॅन्डल घ्या रे आपे रे
त्याचा अरे मनिषा रे
मनीषा
ओके घे सर आज किती झाले इश्यू
मेळपाक गेल्ले कितें जाल्लें मेमोरेंडम दिलें तुमी
I have today met the Director General of Police and filed with him an official complaint that after the order on 22nd December by the Honorable Bombay High Court that I have apprehensions that Panjim MLA Babush Munsarat is trying his second attack on my life. So I have filed this official complaint today with the DGP. I discussed the details of the complaint at length with him, and he has already assured me that all the needful will be done to ensure that there is no attack by Mr. Babush Munsarat. I have in my complaint stated that all that I had done over the last 2 months was to raise before the Honorable Bombay High Court and the Honorable Chief Justice before the Supreme Court that the stay granted to Babush Munsarat in the 2008 Panjim police attack case was going on for the last 7 years. The case was in cold storage. Due to the intervention of the Bombay High Court and the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, this case has been now decided, and on 22nd December, Justice Vitale in his order has directed that the trial against Babush Munsarat, Jennifer Munsarat and the other accused should commence, and that the trial should be expedited. In that judgment, Justice Vitale has clearly stated that there is enough evidence against the accused in this infamous 2008 Panjim attack case. I, in my complaint to the DGP today, have also pointed out that on 13th of October 2008, Babush Munsarat had masterminded that attack against me when I was appearing as a lawyer for the victim girl who was raped by the now mayor of Panjim, Mr. Rohit Munsarat. So those details I have also discussed with the DGP today at length and apprised him of the situation. Now, I have also explained to him that the criminal antecedents of Babush Munsarat are one too many, and that he has even been now charge sheeted by the crime branch for having raped a minor girl. So a man with criminal antecedents has to be taken care of by the police. So I have, after submitting my complaint, I have discussed this whole issue at length with the DGP, and he has already expressed what he plans to do. He also discussed the matter in front of me with the DIG, and their plan of action will follow. So my duty is to draw his attention to what Babush Munsarat is planning to do high-handedly against me, which I will not accept and tolerate. Let it be very clear that I will never be cowed down by such threats, because as a citizen and more so as a lawyer, it's my duty to ensure at all times that the law is upheld. What Babush Munsarat had done by keeping this serious criminal case of the Panjim police station attack case pending for 7 years was not acceptable. The long arm of the law is finally catching up with the Munsarats. So he should not try to attack me, because it will serve no purpose. I may be gone, but that case against Babush Munsarat will not go. I have gone through the whole file and seen the whole evidence of the case, and there is no way that he can be acquitted in that case. He and Jennifer Munsarat, at least these two accused, the whole evidence is against them, and they will be for sure convicted in this infamous Panjim police station attack case.
There are many others also in this case.
Yes, no, but the evidence...
Even the sitting candidate of Taligaon,
yes,
he's also
yes,
there.
but if you see the whole evidence, because I have gone through the file time and again, the whole evidence is mounting, because it is Babush Munsarat who instigated the crowd to attack the police station. There cannot be a bigger crime than attacking a police station. This crime is against the state, and it is a shame that the lawmakers were lawbreakers that night. It has set a very wrong precedent in the history of Goa.
So you have asked for the protection, police protection?
No, I've left it to him. He is already discussing it now with his officers. He will be in a better position to tell you. It is not fair that I should be telling you what he has discussed with me, because it is his way of handling the situation now. So he has expressed his opinion on what he plans to do, and I'm sure he is well apprised of the situation, and I'm sure this DGP is no new person to Goa. He has served here as a device P, as a SP. He knows me and he knows the Munsurats very well.
तुम्ही म्हटलं तुमका प्लॅनिंग केला त्यांनी अटॅक करपाचे
Yes.
तुमकां वॉर्निंग मेळ्ळा तशी
Pardon? No,
धमकी मेळ्या कित्याक लागून कंप्लेंट करता तुमची
because I have. If you read my complaint, it's very clear. Okay, that I have received information. Okay, this thing in 2008 also, minutes before my attack, I had called Chief Minister Digambar Kamath that time, and I told him that I anticipate an attack that evening. I called Mr. Digambar Kamath and I called the then SP Bosco George just hours before the attack, and I told them that I anticipate an attack that evening, and they said, "Don't worry, nothing will happen." So that sixth sense has to be there, and the way Babush Munsurat operates is nobody is stranger to it. We all know how he operates.
त्यांना तुम्ही प्रजल साखरदंड्याने तुम्ही अटॅक झाला तो
Pardon?
प्रजल साखरदंड्यामुळे अटॅक झाला तो म्हणतात
Yes. That is on 13th of October 2008 night.
Sir, this is the election year. So why it took so long for you to come up after 7 years
What?
to take up this case again back?
See,
Is there any political this?
there is. See, at least some weeks ago I was planning to contest. Today I have decided not to contest because the election scene is there's enough of mess in the election scene. So there cannot be any political interest that I have, because I don't belong to any political party. Neither am I a candidate in the coming elections. My duty is to uphold the law at all times. Now we came across that judgment of the Supreme Court, which said that no stay can continue beyond 6 months. If beyond 6 months, the stay automatically ends unless the court has extended it. In this case, the stay granted 7 years ago was never extended. The file was conveniently put in cold storage.
But you were not aware of this,
Pardon?
which was not extended by High Court?
No. See, it was a duty. So it was the duty of the CBI also to draw the attention. See, because now things have changed over the last few years with Babush Munsurat being in the ruling party. Things have changed. So that is the reason. That is the CBI also has not done its job well. That is the reason I have decided to move the Sessions Court in Mapsa when the trial starts to assist the prosecution, because it was the duty of the CBI to draw the attention of the Mapsa Court. But because the Mapsa Court anyway could not do anything, because the records of the case were pending before the Honorable High Court. So now that the trial will start in the first week of January, because the file is going today to Mapsa, is being sent to Mapsa. So the date will be fixed by the judge and the trial will start. And the Honorable High Court having directed that the trial should be expedited, I expect the trial to be held on a day-to-day basis. Thank you.
Coffee, sir.
दिले मग